Hi guys and welcome to this video series on learning Fusion 360 in 5 minutes or less. So the idea behind this video series is to help absolute beginners learn Fusion 360 uh, in a quick and easy way. So every video in this series will be a maximum of 5 minutes in length, and we'll go through the fundamentals of this software. So we'll be talking about basic things like extrusion, lofting, sketching, and things like that in this. So for the first lesson, we'll just be making a simple folder. I'll teach you how to make a folder inside of this so that you can store all your projects, whatever you will be learning in this series there. So once you get the software, I want you to open it, and on the top left corner you will find something called a data panel. Click on this icon and your data panel will open. So you will click on new project and we'll name this F360 in 5 minutes. And you'll find it here. You would want to pin this. By pinning this, you're making sure that it always remains at the top. So by double clicking on this, you'll go into it and create a new folder. We'll call it video 0. Okay, and then go into this. So now we have successfully created a folder where if I draw anything here and save it, it'll by default save into that folder unless you choose otherwise. So let's move on to the next one.